To say this property has been recently renovated would be to understate the work that's actually gone into this home. Pretty much everything is brand new. So come on in and take a look. Set on 809 square metres with side access, this 4-bed 2-bath home is the perfect property for someone looking to enter the market or just looking for a perfect low-maintenance home to call their own. We invite you to come to the first advertised open home or simply give me a call to arrange a private inspection today. I look forward to seeing you soon.